Hello guys, bienvenue sur channel là. Je dis comme nous capable voir dans la vidéo ça nous allons préparer un bon petit repas, OK? Nous allons faire poulet BBQ ensemble avec salade, macaroni et puis coupelle de banane plantain. Bon, tout d'abord, on a préparé poulet là, poulet de temps chaudé, etc. On a mariné les cognac. Après pour nous faire on va passer ceci, OK? So on suivre c'est ma femme. Je ne sais pas quoi abonner avec channel là. Pas hésiter à faire ça. Parce que après mes qualité vidéo nous la gueule. Si vous intéressé avec cuisine, pâtisserie et plaisir aussi que c'est pas ça seulement nous la gueule sur channel là. Donc parce que après mes vidéos nous la gueule. So pas hésiter à abonner. OK? Bisous. On continue.
Focus on me. Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus? Running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your soul. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus? On me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, hot faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your soul. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. focus on me? Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I hate, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Et maintenant, pour couper nous sommes capables d'utiliser n'importe bagage pour bali forme non. Il est plus bon si utiliser un pèse orange ou bien pèse citron, like les plus facile. Bah gagner sur utiliser ça. Anyways, juste passer une de l'eau seule et puis frit et puis mettez face ouvert en dernier, c'est vraiment simple. Vraiment simple, ok?
Just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I hate, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just...
Et voilà guys, voilà mes nourritures là. Très belle et aussi très délicieuse. Vraiment goût. Je souhaite que vous ayez enjoyé la vidéo. Encore, pas oublier like, pas oublier partager. Et puis abonnez avec la chaîne là si vous avez fait ça, ok? Donc, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Dans une prochaine vidéo, ok? Bye!